Hi, Greg here, Kiwi Wanderers. Big news. We're giving away a complete 12 volt conversion kit for Starlink. We've been using this 12 volt conversion kit for about 3 months and it's been fantastic. It definitely saves us power and it's been completely reliable. No downtime whatsoever. So, when the awesome people at Starlink offered us a kit to give away, I jumped at the chance. It's great to deal with good people. Now, if you don't know what the Starlink system is, a well-built piece of equipment that lets you run your Gen 2 or Gen 3 Starlink on 12 or 24 volt. It's easy to set up and it just works. As I said, setting up is incredibly simple. No need to cut wires or splice terminals. It's so easy that even Sandy could do it. And just look at the speed. We're using about half the power we'd use running Starlink on 240 volts. I've made a short video showing how to set it up, of course, and how it works for us. I'll put the link up here and in the description. So this would make a great gift for anyone with an RV who's thinking about getting Starlink. Okay, how do you win? 3 easy steps. Subscribe to Kiwi Wanderers. It's free, super easy to do. Just click here. Comment on this video. I don't mind what you say, but something nice would be great. And follow this link, also in the description, to sign up for Starlink's newsletter. That's it. Once you're done, all 3, you're in the draw. How easy is that? Now, important, this giveaway runs until December the 20th, and then we'll draw 1 lucky winner just in time for Christmas. If you don't have Starlink yet, you could definitely consider getting Starlink Mini. It's built to run on DC power. It's a smaller dish, and so the speeds might be quite the same. Actually, I'll need to do a video comparing the two systems. Ooh. Oh, and if you don't have Starlink yet, use this link to sign up and you'll get your first month free. I'll put that link in the description as well. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, follow the links to Starlink, and you're entered. You cannot win if you're not entered. Good luck, and thanks again for watching.